Hey, Angela, this is Leo again. We just spoke and I wanted to get this sent out to you. So, what this is a free website audit. And what I do is just kind of go over and give you a few things that you can actually do yourself to these websites to help boost your ratings in Google and help you rank higher on the Google list. So, first thing I notice here, actually, I love the layout of the site. I love the picture. Everything that represents me, God and America, I love it. Like this is the best site I've looked at. I love the name. I love what it stands for. So I'm really eager to work with you all because God got me where I'm at today. Um, but I notice on your homepage here, you're lacking content. So what we like to see is about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front page, and then from there back, we like to have about five more pages of 500 to 750 words. And we're missing that in the content department on here. And this is your number one competitor. And as you see, they don't really have much content either. And what I don't like is see how they've got this number kind of hidden on here. Yours is pops out. So if I'm got a hole in my roof, or I'm needing someone quickly, or I'm just looking for services, period, I can come straight to your site and click right on this phone number, and I get straight through. So back to your competitors, they are seriously lacking content, and you're probably wondering how they're number one, and I'm about to show you that here in just a second. So what I did is search roofing Henderson, Kentucky, just for local to localize the word search. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Number 10, 10 or 11 down in here, which is not bad. You're on the first page, but when it comes to this local map listing, people normally feel like these top three spots are the most trusted. They feel like those are the ones Google puts up there for a reason. And they do put them up there for a reason. It's because of the SEO, the search engine optimization, which is the content I'm telling you about. Another thing I do is I use this pretty nifty tool right here. It's called Ahrefs, and I put you and your top competitor, A&R, in there so we can see why they're number one. And then what I do is look and see this is the strength of their site, and this is the trust, a 7 and a 2.1. The strength of your site is a 3 with 0 trust. Now you want these pretty close, like a 3 and a 3. So if you divide them into each other, it's a 1. This is out of 100. So if you had 75 here, you want 75 here. So they're beating you in the trust department and in the strength department. But that's no worries. Those are things that we specialize. Now, as you see here, they only have 11 backlinks, and you have 39 backlinks. And the thing about backlinks is, if you don't know, it means that there's another blog post, there's another site, there's something out there that has this URL typed into it. That way, if someone's back on another post, say a blog post about roofing, and if it's from a very strong, very trusted site, it's going to make that one single backlink really powerful over 5 other normal backlinks. So this URL is typed in somewhere on the internet that links back here. That is a backlink. Now you're probably wondering why you have 39 and they're outranking you. It's because all backlinks are not created equal. And I'm going to give you a very extreme situation. So like I said here, they could have went to an accredited blog site and got their name, or even paid for the backlink, because a lot of these backlinks, the really powerful ones, are paid for. And one of those powerful backlinks could beat out 10 regular backlinks. So like I said, an extreme example is if, and I'm not saying you all did this, just an extreme example is if you all was at Pizza Hut reviews and you put this URL in. Yes, that does count as a backlink to your page, but it has no power to it because it comes from Pizza Hut, as opposed, say, these guys got their backlinks from roofing blogs or other roofing companies on their pages. Now, we went over content, we went over backlinks. Another thing that I can do with this tool is they've got 11 backlinks that's outranking you. Then I go right in here and get those exact backlinks, and I sign you up and get those backlinks for you. Now, because I've done this for a few years and I've worked with many people around the country, I have hookups or credits from other companies that will throw me some backlinks, and that will help us at the end of the day. Another thing, see this here, Yellow Pages? That is for citations, and a citation is NAP, N-A-P, name, address, phone number. So you can go to Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, and make sure that you put in your business name, your business phone number, and your business address. Make sure it's all the same on all of those, and you will be able to get more citations for yourself. So again, we went over content. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, 500 to 700 words on every page behind that. You want at least 5 pages total. You got your backlinks, that we need to get your backlinks increased, and that will help your trust and strength to these sites. And also your citations. Now, one more thing before I let you go is they got 3 organic keywords and you've only got 2. So that means that there's no buyer intent keywords. See here, Henderson roof repair. If someone's searching that, that means that they're looking for roof repair. If someone is searching R United, that's more of a national. That doesn't mean that they are paying for services. So what I do is I find, with another tool I find the keyword difficulty that's best. So you have for God and Country Muhlenberg County. That's what you're being ranked for. That's not helping your site. Country roofing, that is kind of buyer intent, but not really. God and Country roofing, God and Country repair, roofing repair, roofing company repair, things like that. Whenever people type them in, means they're looking to spend money. So what I do is find the keyword difficulty, and these 2 words right here are very hard to rank. Those being a 15, it's going to take about 9 months to rank, and a 21 is going to take about a year just to rank that word, and that word's not giving your site any power. So what I do is use another one of my tools, find the keywords that's local to you and that helps you, and then I put those in your content. So when Google scrolls and looks through all these sites, they see that you have the content. You get a check for that, a check for your backlinks, citations, and for your keywords. So those are just 4 things right there that I could help you out with. I've got many, many more tricks up my sleeve that can help you rank higher in your Google and get you that local map listing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. Again, my name is Leo Arona. I'm the owner of Arona Marketing. My cell phone number is 270-841-3600, and my email is leo@aronamarketing.com. I hope y'all find this video helpful, and all I ask in return is just please email me back and let me know what you thought about the video. And you have a blessed day, and thank you.